Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So in this video, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the layouts in Jetpack Compose library. So there are three types of layout here, basically which we use: row, column and box. So I'm going to use all three here in this example, and one by one I will explain where you can use rows, where you can use column, where you can use box layout. So in the last program, if you remember, that we left here that if we reuse this compose greeting function two times, so second time it will override the first data. You see demo here. So it overriding. If I call it third time, then again it will override. So that means it will display the data only on a one position here on top. But I want to display this information one by one in a column format. So this is one single column, and after 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, I want to display information in a column. First layout here, the column. So what I have to do, I have to just use here column. Like this, and here I just put this and paste here like this, and I run this program once again in emulator. You will see automatically it will come one by one in a single column. You see it is coming, but size is more, that's why it's coming in this way. So if I reduce the size and I say the size is 20, I save this one, and 20 is also, I think I have to change the text. I say hello Jetpack, like this, small one, and I say hello Jetpack, and I say hello is already there, and I say hello compose, like this. So if I have this, so you see one by one I am able to update it. Right now I am changing here, and automatically my data is also updating in emulator. So like this, and if I want to set some position, center, alignment or something else, so what I do, I say here that modifier like this, and I say here that I say modifier dot and I say here background. If I want to set the color of background, so I say color dot I can say red color, or I say light gray color, like this. So I run it once again. You see that gray color is coming at the background, and that color I change blue to I say red color. So once again I do some changes also. I set alignment also, so I say horizontal. So here I say horizontal alignment equal to, and I say alignment dot center horizontal. So like this, horizontal alignment. Okay, spelling is mistake. So I run it once again, and you will see that it will align as a horizontal at the center. You see it coming in center. So red color is also not okay, so I change the background color here to something else, shine color, and I run once again. You see, so it is coming here. Now in alignment we have three types of setting. We have alignment dot center, we have alignment dot star, we have alignment dot end. End means it will go to right side, start means it will go to left side as a by default, and center means it will go at the center of the screen. Now one more we can do, we can also have the vertical we can say arrangement, vertical arrangement. And what I do, arrangement, okay, what I do, I say arrangement GE also, arrangement like this, dot, we have the arrangement where you want to put this text. So do you want to put this text to the bottom, center, or where you want to distribute it? So if I say it to bottom, arrangement dot bottom like this, and I say this one, and I run once again. So you will see that it will display the text at the bottom of the screen. You see at the bottom. But if I want to display the space accordingly, so I can say space between. So it will display the space between these two. We will share all the space between two. You see the effect of this. You see. So in these two text information we have here the space. We can also divide the space evenly. So I say space evenly. So it will display the half and half space, half of space to both. So you see the output like this. Similarly, we can also use other setting also. I am not going in detail of this. I am just giving the overview. As you will use these layout, column layout, you will be more comfortable and you will learn more thing also. And remember that we are using that column layout. It's very simple. Now if I want to display the record in a row format, row one by one in a row format, simply just I have to change it to raw. It's very simple, and just I import it like this, compose library, and in place of horizontal alignment we have to change it to vertical alignment. Remember, I say vertical, just opposite of this, vertical alignment. Okay, vertical alignment like this. Okay, and it would be vertical alignment. It would be vertical alignment, and then alignment dot, we can say to the center vertically like this. Okay, and in place of arrangement of vertically, we can say horizontal arrangement, horizontal arrangement like this, the opposite of this, then arrangement dot, and we can use whatever we want, center, evenly, what you want. And if I run it again, you will see that now this text will be divided into evenly spaced in a row, not in a column. See the output, it coming vertically center, it coming at the center of the screen, and we are divide the information in a row like a two column, because here we are using a row layout. So within a row we want to display information. So again we can use some other information also. In place of center vertically, I can say bottom and top, so I can go to top also. If I run once again, so I will go on the top of the screen in place of center of the screen. You see, now evenly space we are dividing, so we can do some other thing also, like center and around, between, So we can say at the center of the screen, or at the center of this arrangement in horizontal. So we can divide this into, we can put it into the center of the screen also. In a row, you see it look like same, but it's a different thing. And we can also use some other arrangement like space between, like this, or we can say start, because it will start from the beginning of the row, like this, like this. Okay, so we can use accordingly that we want to display on top, we want to arrangement in horizontally in which position. So we can use column also, we can use rows also. Now if we have a box layout, so here I can write here box, remember this one, I want to take this one, the box. Now in place of this we have to write content alignment like this, and there is no horizontal arrangement like this. And now I just use box layout here, and here I say alignment dot, we have this option bottom center and center, then end start. So I say should be on center, so automatically it will go to the center, and I run once again. You see it coming at the center as a box layout. And one more thing that I want to show you, that it coming one upon one, because they are positioning on a same. Under this box layout I can use column also, like this, and I paste this text here inside this, like this, and run once again. You see, so under this box layout you can use column layout also, under the column layout you can use row layout also, and under row you can use column also, and under box you can take one more box also, like I try to take one more box. I say box layout like this, and here what I do modifier here, I pass here modifier, and I change the color of this box to red, like this. Try to run once again. So I say width and height also. So what I do like that, I say here dot width, and I say 200 dot dp, like this. dp, like this, and I say height also dot height, I say 200 dp, like this, and I try to execute now, run once again. You see this box is coming on this screen. So what can I do here, because we have a single surface here, maximum size, so I can put this box also inside this column, like this, and now I try to execute once again. You see it is coming after this information. So similarly you can use some other your layout also, like you can use row inside column, column inside row. So in this video I try to explain you that we have a three types of layout. We have box layout, we have column layout, we have row layout. So as per our requirement we can use all, we can use box also, we can use column also, we can use row also. And here we have only one surface. This surface is using the max size, means all the screen we are using as a surface. So in place of this we can set height and width for this surface also, and we can use other surface also for box layout, other surface for column layout. Similarly, as per the requirement we can use these column, rows and box layout as per our requirement and choice. So I think I have explained a lot more thing about these layouts in Jetpack Compose library. So if you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you already subscribed, thanks for it, and thank you for watching this video.